What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be running the 1/6 scale nitro, the protech promax RS. As you can see, I got a short course body on there with a wing, a couple of driver figures. I managed to permanently fix the spur gear to the shaft. I eliminated the one-way bearing that was already on there, because this originally was a 2-speed, but obviously getting the 2-speed gears for this is not impossible, right? So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to start it up and I'll put us back on once it's going. Stay tuned for the run. Just to glue it that ring guys. Well guys, we'll stop the video here because this was just a test run of the 1/6, apparently 1/6 scale, but it's more like 1/7 scale protech promax RS. I've got a short course body on it, as you can see. Anyway guys, it'd be a great appreciation if you could do me a massive favour and give me a massive thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.